January, A Flight of Birds by John Stone. Watching the birds, I think of Bach, each of the distant, wheeling flock. A black note on a turning page, the darkened afternoon, the stage. Watching their wide, then narrow belt, I imagine how Bach felt, with hundreds of melodies all at once, inventing his own celestial stunts. In their equivalent of cantata, the birds perform a short fermata. Then, in silent, skybound bugle, swoop and go, their music fugal. I think of their flight in terms of master, Bach at his keyboard, writing vaster harmonies than the court could dream, which is why, in pure esteem, the world would be if Bach and bird less, as much diminished as if word less.